Did you know that using the right synthetic motor oil could extend your engine's life by up to 50%? With today's advanced vehicle technology, choosing the right oil is more crucial than ever. That's why today I'm breaking down the top 5 best synthetic motor oils of 2025. Synthetic oils are taking over because of their superior performance, but with so many options, how do you pick the right one? Between brand reputation, viscosity grades, and manufacturer specs, it can get pretty overwhelming. But don't worry, we've done the homework and narrowed down this year's top contenders to make your decision a whole lot easier. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor and hit that like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more tech reviews and tips. It's totally free for you, but it helps us keep bringing you the kind of content that oil companies and dealerships might not want you to see. All right, let's get into what's best for your vehicle in 2025. First up, for maximum protection, we have the AMSoil Signature Series 100% SAE 5W30 synthetic motor oil. When it comes to shielding your engine, AMSoil is a true heavyweight. This oil is engineered to provide exceptional wear protection, keeping your engine humming along smoothly, even under the most demanding conditions. Its advanced formula is all about reducing friction and heat, which is key to extending your engine's life. The AMSoil Signature Series is famous for its incredible performance in extreme temperatures, making it a fantastic choice if you drive in harsh climates. A major benefit is its ability to maintain viscosity, whether you're in the scorching heat of summer or the freezing cold of winter. It provides optimal protection year-round. Plus, it has excellent oxidation stability, which prevents harmful deposits and sludge from forming. This keeps your engine clean and running efficiently. Another huge plus for the AMSoil Signature Series is its extended drain intervals. Forget frequent oil changes. This synthetic can last up to 25,000 miles or 1 year under normal driving conditions. That saves you time, money, and is better for the environment by reducing waste oil. Advanced detergents and dispersants keep your engine clean, preventing performance-robbing buildup. Yes, the AMSoil Signature Series is on the pricier side, but the long-lasting benefits and superior protection make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants the absolute best for their vehicle. If you need an oil that can handle the toughest conditions and provide maximum protection, the AMSoil Signature Series is the way to go. Next, we have the Castrol Edge High Mileage 10W30 synthetic motor oil, designed specifically for those engines that have seen a few more miles. This oil is formulated to address the unique needs of older engines, giving them a boost in protection and performance. Castrol Edge High Mileage is packed with advanced additives that help reduce leaks, oil burn-off, and power-robbing deposits, ensuring your seasoned engine keeps running smoothly. A standout feature is its superior wear protection. As engines age, they're more prone to wear and tear, leading to decreased performance. Castrol's formula minimizes this wear, extending your engine's life and helping it run like it used to. It's also designed to improve fuel economy, which can save you a nice chunk of change at the pump over time. Castrol Edge High Mileage also contains special seal conditioners that rejuvenate aging seals, helping to prevent those annoying oil leaks common in older cars. Its high film strength provides an extra layer of protection against metal-to-metal contact, which reduces engine wear and boosts overall performance. For what it offers, this oil is an excellent value for anyone looking to maintain their high-mileage engine. If you want to keep your trusted engine in top condition, Castrol Edge High Mileage is a fantastic option. For those of you seeking a premium, top-shelf option, look no further than Liqui Moly 2041 Premium 5W40 Synthetic Motor Oil. This German-made oil is famous for its high-quality formulation and exceptional performance. Liqui Moly 2041 is designed for outstanding protection and lubrication, ensuring your engine runs as efficiently as possible. Its advanced formula reduces friction and wear, which can extend the life of your engine and improve its performance. One of the key benefits here is its excellent thermal stability. This means it can handle high temperatures without breaking down, providing consistent protection even under extreme driving conditions. It's also known for its fantastic cleaning properties, which prevent the buildup of harmful deposits and sludge. A clean engine is an efficient engine, and this oil helps reduce the need for frequent maintenance. Liqui Moly 2041 also boasts high shear stability, ensuring the oil maintains its viscosity and protective qualities even under severe mechanical stress. This is crucial for high-performance engines that operate at higher RPMs and temperatures. The oil's advanced anti-wear additives provide an extra layer of defense for critical engine components, reducing wear and tear. Now, liqui moly is on the higher end of the price spectrum, but its premium quality and superior performance make it a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best for their vehicle. If you're searching for a high-quality synthetic motor oil that delivers exceptional protection and performance, liqui moly 2041 is an excellent choice. If you're looking for the best value without sacrificing quality, the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W20 is our top pick. This oil offers excellent protection and performance at a really affordable price, making it a favorite among budget-conscious drivers. Valvoline's advanced formula helps reduce friction and wear, keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. And hey, if you're getting value from this, please take a second to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tips. A standout feature of Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic is its superior protection against high temperatures. This makes it a great choice if you live in a hot climate or do a lot of heavy-duty driving. Like the others, this oil is also designed to improve fuel economy, saving you money at the pump. Its advanced additives prevent the formation of harmful deposits and sludge, keeping your engine clean and happy. Valvoline also includes anti-wear additives for an extra layer of protection on critical engine components. This helps reduce wear and extends your engine's life, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term vehicle maintenance. Its high oxidation stability ensures it maintains its protective properties over extended drain intervals, meaning fewer oil changes. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic truly offers excellent value. For a reliable, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this is the one to get. Finally, we've arrived at our overall best synthetic motor oil of 2025, Mobil 1 Advanced 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This oil is a clear winner, renowned for its exceptional performance and protection, making it a top choice for car owners worldwide. Mobil 1's advanced formula is a master at reducing friction and wear, ensuring your engine runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Its superior thermal stability allows it to withstand extreme temperatures without breaking down, providing consistent protection no matter the conditions. One of the key benefits of Mobil 1 is its ability to deliver excellent fuel economy. Over time, this can save you a significant amount of money at the pump, making it a very cost-effective choice. Additionally, this oil is legendary for its cleaning properties, preventing the buildup of harmful deposits and sludge. This keeps your engine clean and running at its peak, reducing the need for maintenance. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic also has a high level of shear stability, which ensures the oil maintains its viscosity and protective properties even under severe mechanical stress. This is especially important for high-performance engines. The advanced anti-wear additives provide an extra layer of protection for critical engine components, reducing wear and extending the engine's lifespan. Mobil 1 offers incredible value for its level of protection and performance. Its combination of affordability, quality, and superior performance makes it a global favorite. If you're looking for the best overall synthetic motor oil, Mobil 1 is an excellent choice. And there you have it, the top 5 best synthetic motor oils for 2025. Whether you need maximum protection, a solution for a high-mileage engine, premium quality, great value, or the best all-around performer, these oils have you covered. Always remember to check your owner's manual and follow your engine manufacturer's recommended specifications when choosing an oil. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.